In this video, I'm going to show you how to change account password on Global Prime. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard and click on Accounts. And to change the password of an individual trading account you have in here, you want to first locate your account. Like for me, I have this demo one over here. Then you want to click on this pen icon next to it. And then here, you can change your account password by just clicking over here where it says New Password. Type in your new password, just confirm it again, and then just click on Submit Changes, and that's going to change your password of your trading account. However, if you want to change the password of your entire account, you want to click at the top right and then click on Profile over here on your profile icon. You want to scroll down, and then here at the bottom, it's going to say Change Password for your account. You can just click on Change here, and there we go. You can go ahead and type in your old password and then your new password and the confirmed new password again. Press Save, and that will change your entire password. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.